Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to BG's Airways TV, the home of stunning natural hair inspiration for black women. If you love quick, easy, and confidence boosting hairstyles that make you look put together in minutes, then you're in the right place. Grab your comb, your gel, and let's perform that natural crown. If you are looking for quick, natural hairstyle for black women that are stylish, easy, and perfect for everyday wear, then this video is exactly what you need. Whether you have short natural hair, 4C hair, or medium length coils, these beautiful styles will help you look confident and put together in just minutes. Natural hair is powerful, versatile, and absolutely stunning when styled the right way. And the best part, you don't need to spend hours in front of the mirror to achieve these looks. These quick natural styles are perfect for busy mornings, work days, church, special events, or even casual outings. One of the easiest styles you can try is a simple defined twist out. With just a good leave-in conditioner and a styling cream, you can create soft, bouncing coils that frame your face beautifully. It's classy, effortless, and works perfectly for beautiful young and mature women. Sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and you see exactly what I mean. Another quick favorite is a sleek low puff. This style is elegant and takes only a few minutes to achieve. Just smooth your edges, gather your hair at the back, and secure it neatly. It's a professional and polished look that works great for the office or formal settings. You can also try eye puff for a bold and confident appearance. It's simple, stylish, and highlights your natural texture beautifully. Add some edge styling or a hair accessory to elevate the look even more. If you love protective styling, flat twists are another quick and gorgeous options. They are neat, low maintenance, and can last for days while keeping your natural hair protected. You can style them into an updo or leave them flowing to the side for a shorter look. For women over 40 or 50 who want something chic and age defying, a short natural tapered style is always a winner. It's easy to maintain, frames the face nicely, and gives a youthful glow without too much effort. Remember, natural hair doesn't have to be complicated. The key is moisture, gentle handling. Quick doesn't mean boring. It means smart, efficient, and beautiful. If you enjoy these quick natural styles, make sure you hit that like button so more queens can see this video. Comment below and tell me which style you are rocking this week. I want to know. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to BG's Airwaves TV and turn on your notifications so you never miss another glow up. Remember, Your natural hair is your crown. Wear it proudly, style it confidently, and I will see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.